Show me how you eat with your chopsticks.
1, 2, 4.
What you eating? Hey, what you got? That's going to take a while. No, don't do that. You get boo-boos. Scoop your noodles. What is it? What are you eating? What?
Dora.
You're eating Dora? Look at the camera. Look at the light. No, the camera, baby. Look at the red light, sweetheart. See it? Say hi. I'm eating noodles. Hey, look at your shirt. What's on your shirt?
Elmo.
Elmo. Is it good? Look at you eating with chopsticks at 2. Oh my God. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye, world. Okay.